23, 8, right? Product X is obtained after it passes through three distinct processes. I said why it has to pass three different times, right? You are required to prepare pros accounts from the following information. So in process we have other material, direct wages, normal loss. It is expected, right?
Yes, sir.
Value of scrap per unit. In each process we are getting some scrap, we are going to sold. So if we sold something, we receive money. That's our
Income.
not expenditure. Output 950 in process 1. 1000 units of rupees, 60 per units were introduced in process X, right? Production overheads of rupees 1,80,000 are to be distributed as 100% direct wages. How much direct wages? Same as production overhead, right? How much direct wages in each department? 40,000, 60,000, 80,000. Same production overhead. 40,000, 60,000, 80,000. They are telling. If 50%, 50 by 100. Now they are telling what? 100%. So what is 40,000 into 100% means what? Same we are getting, right? So I'll write directly because they are telling 100%. If they are telling what? 50%, 50 by 100 into 40,000. 50 by 100 into 60,000. 50 by 100 into 80,000. Correct? Huh? Here, what they are telling? 100%. See, I said whatever we introduce, right? Introduce means what? Debit side increase, right?
Yes, sir.
Decrease?
Credit side.
So, units introduced. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Units
Introduced.
1000 units, right?
Yes, sir.
1000 into 60. So quantity how much ma? 1000 into 60 means what? 60,000 is total cost, right?
Yes, sir.
This is in process X. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Next, direct wages, right? They paid direct wages. They paid direct wages. Paid, you write debit side. Direct wages 40,000. This quantity we need amount. So in total cost amount how much? 40,000. Then the normal loss, right? Normal loss means what? It is expected, right? Standard. We are fixing standard. See, normal loss we are writing here, right, ma?
Yes,
I said units are reduced. Units are
Reduced.
so normal loss. How much? 5% of 1000.
Yes, sir.
Correct, right? 5% of 1000 is what? 50. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
50. On that we are going to sold. Value of scrap per unit, right? Value of scrap per unit. 40 rupees per unit. That means totally 50, right? 50 into 40. That is our income. So we are going to sell. So 50 into 40. How much of? 2,000. Don't expect any time scrap value. Huh? So if not there, don't write. Some questions are there. And that scrap is not given. Then don't write. Write it as nil only. Correct? Huh? Then we know what is standard, right? 100 we are introducing. 5% is expected. 950 is what, ma? Output. That is standard in process 1. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
950 is what? Standard in process 1. See, actual output how much, ma? 950 only. Correct, right? In process X, output 950. Meaning is that what? There is no abnormal loss, there is no abnormal gain. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Standard is 950. Here also they are getting 950. There is no abnormal loss, there is no abnormal gain only. So next what expenditure? Direct wages over, other material. Other
Materials. 52,000.
50.
2,000.
Next to production overhead, right?
Yes, sir.
Production overhead, they are telling 100% on direct wages. Correct one?
Yes, sir.
Production overhead. Production overhead 100% on direct wages. Direct wages in department takes how much? 40K. Correct, right?
Yes,
Same we are getting what? 40,000. Correct, ma?
Yes, sir.
Correct, right? So we need, I said, in each process we need cost per
Units.
cost per
Units.
calculating cost per unit equals what?
Total
cost
minus standard units.
Minus scrap value, right?
Scrap value divided by standard.
Scrap value divided by
Standard.
standard. How to get standard? Input minus normal loss, right? Input minus
Normal loss.
to get standard error. I'm telling you. Standard is only input
Minus.
minus normal loss. Correct? Total cost over for this all 1,92,000. 1 lakh minus scrap value 2,000 divided by input how much? 1,000 minus 50, right? So 1,90,000 divided by 950 how much? 200. In process value we are getting 200 as cost per unit, right? So actual output how much then? Actual output how much? 950. You write total amount here, or you write 950 to 200. You get same thing. See here, exact division is possible, right? Correct, ma? Exact division is possible. Then you write multiply. Just multiply 950 into 200. How much you get? 1 lakh.
90,000.
Correct, right? So totally 1,92,000. 1 lakh.
92,000.
Correct, now?
Yes, sir.
Output transfer to process Y, right?
Yes, sir.
Process
Why?
correct. I need out in this. So next process Y. So this input becomes this output becomes
Input of
for process Y from
process
X 950
950
units 1,90,000. Correct,
Yes, sir.
again what he paid in process Y other material, right? Other material
39,600.
39,600. Direct wages 60,000. Then normal loss we are writing here, right? Normal loss 10% of input, right? 10% of input 95. Scrap value is given 80, 950 into 95 into 80 how much?
7,600.
7,600. Correct, what is so? Next what? Production overhead.
Yes, sir.
Production overhead they are giving in process wise 60,000, right?
Yes, sir.
60,000 of 100%.
Net wages.
So 60,000. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Total production what they are telling you 1,80,000, right?
Yes, sir.
In adjustment production overheads of rupees 1,80,000 are to be distributed as 100% of direct wages. So direct wages 60,000 into 100% will get
60,000.
now what total cost of scrap is given, right?
Yes, sir.
Actual output how much now? 840.
840.
So I'll check actual output. Actual output. Transfer to where ma? Process, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Actual output how much? 840. Which side is more? Here or there? Here? This side, we are in abnormal loss position, right?
Yes, sir.
We are in what, ma?
Abnormal loss.
So I will write here only 950 more,
Yes, sir.
correct, ma? So
Yes, sir.
here also 950. Then difference amount how much?
50.
50. That is what? Abnormal loss, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
See 950, 950, 950 minus 95 minus 840 will get how much? 15 units, right?
Yes, sir.
To calculate what units, we need same thing. Cost per unit we need. In process total cost per unit. Total cost how much? Total
3 lakh.
cost minus scrap value, right?
Yes, sir.
Divided by input minus normal loss.
Normal loss.
Total cost how much ma?
3,49,600.
3 lakh
49,600.
49,600 minus scrap value 7,600 950 minus
95.
95. Subtract 3 lakh
42,000.
divide by
855, sir.
8. What more total? 855 ah?
Yes, sir.
How much? 400, right? This is what? In production Y we have CPU, correct? 400 per unit. In process Y, just to multiply 15 into 400. How much? 6,000. Here also perfect division possible, right? Just to multiply 840 into 400. How much? 3 lakh. Again tally, right? What total? 3 lakh 49,600. Here also 3 lakh 49,600.
600.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Correct for this one?
Yes, sir.
Process Y. Just to multiply with abnormal gain loss. 400 into 50. This also same. When you have perfect division, when you don't have right, on that take balancing class. Where you write calculate first same as it is. 400 homework whatever you calculate same. This you write as balancing. This you write as what? When you don't have perfect division. Now from process Y, right? 840 3,36,000, correct?
Yes, sir.
Same thing.
Other material 59,240.
59,240.
Direct
Direct wages
80,000.
80,000.
Normal loss
Loss.
60,000.
What percent is that? 840 into
126.
126.
Yes, sir.
126 into 100.
Yes, sir.
Then means 12,600.
Yes, sir.
Production overhead, right? Production overhead. Same. 80% of 80k into 100%, right?
Yes, sir.
So 80,000. Actual output how much? Actual output
750.
transfer to finished stock.
Yes.
Actual output transfer to
Finished
finished stock. Actual output how much? 750. This side is more now. This side is more.
Yes, sir.
Here is more, right? How much?
876.
876. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This side is more. 876. Here we are getting 36 is what? Abnormal gain. Here we are getting abnormal
Gain.
abnormal gain. So to calculate same we need transparent we need CPU total cost minus scrap value, right? Divide by input minus normal loss. Total cost this much. How much man?
5 lakhs.
5,55,240.
55,000. 240 minus scrap value that is given
12,600.
12,600. Input how much? 840. Normal loss 126.
5 lakhs.
5,42,000. 640 divided by 7 into 740.
760.
60,
No, sir.
7
60.
760 into 36.
27,360.
27,000. 750 50 into 760. 5 lakh
70,000.
37,000
70,000.
70, sir.
5 lakh 70
Yes, sir.
6,96,000.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
correct?
Yes.
Total amount.
58 lakhs service.
This sir?
5,80,000.
1,600.
Yes, sir. 5 lakhs 80,000.
5 lakh.
82,600.
Here
Same.
Same.
5 lakh.
80,600.
Also check now.
Yes, sir.
Correct now?
Correct.
Right?
Correct, sir.
Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
59.
Muskan. Sure.
80,000.